Payme App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about money transfers is that speed matters more than features. Payme is built for simple peer-to-peer payments, but does it hold up in 2025? Payme is a mobile payment app that allows users to send and receive money quickly between friends and family. Transfers are typically instant or near instant. One major advantage is simplicity. The app is easy to use with minimal setup. Most people get this wrong, but removing friction increases trust and adoption. Another pro is transparency. Users can clearly see transaction history and balances, making it suitable for casual payments. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect advanced banking tools. Payme focuses on payments only. It lacks budgeting, investing, or savings features found in broader fintech apps. In conclusion, Payme is best for fast, straightforward transfers. If you want a no-frills payment app that just works, Payme remains useful in 2025.